Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Today is day 10 of my journey and it's been a mixed day. I slept late last night because I was finishing my task, but somehow I managed to wake up at 5 a.m. and completed my morning routine by 6:30. I have been telling myself to get more done in the morning. So I went for an outdoor walk for 1.5 hours. I felt amazing and I managed to complete 13,000 steps today. That's a big achievement for me. I even wanted to continue walking, but I was hungry, so I had breakfast. After that, the usual happened. I felt sleepy. I planned to nap for just 1 hour, but it turned into sleeping till 1 p.m. Because of that, my day started late again. Little by little, I tried to complete my task. But honestly, I feel like I have taken on so much. It's all mixed up, and I get confused about what to do next. So, for tomorrow, I have decided to plan my tasks step by step, like first, second, third, to stay more organized. The highlight of my day was dinner at Barbeque Nation. I spent 2 hours there and ate so much. When I overeat, I feel so heavy and tired. I don't know the exact word, but it's like I feel lazy and sluggish. Still, somehow I managed to complete my task, and Alhamdulillah, I'm ending the day feeling accomplished. Thank you everyone for joining today. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.